Good morning, students. Do you remember what we learned yesterday? We learned chapter 8, South America location and physical features. And then today we are going to study next page number 84, physical features. Physical features of South America. South America has snow. South America has snow-capped mountains, evergreen tropical forests, fertile plains, and hot deserts. South America snow-capped mountains, snow-covered mountains, evergreen tropical forest, fertile plains, and hot desert. The continent can be divided into four major physical divisions. The continent can be divided into four major physical divisions. First one, Western Mountains. Second one, Central Lowland. Western Mountains, Central Lowlands, Eastern Highlands, Western Coastal Strip. These are the four major physical divisions of South America. First one, Western Mountains, Central Lowlands, Eastern Highlands, Western Coastal Strip. And then first one, Western Mountains. The Western Mountains are also called Andes Mountains. Western Mountains are also called Andes Mountains. Look at the map, page number 84, map 8.2, South America physical features. Look at the portion, Andes Mountains. Did you see that? Andes Mountains. ഇവിടെയാണ് Andes Mountains. ഇത്രയും പോർഷൻസ് ആണ് ഫുള്ളാണ് mountains. Okay, Andes Mountain. Western Mountains are also called Andes Mountains. ഇവിടെയാണ് Andes Mountains. These mountains stretch from Caribbean Sea in the north. These mountains stretch from Caribbean Sea. This is Caribbean Sea. Okay, Caribbean Sea in the north to the Cape Horn in the south. Into the south. Is it clear? The Western Mountains are also called Andes Mountains. These mountains stretch from Caribbean Sea in the north to the Cape Horn in the south. They are the second highest mountains in the world after the Himalaya. They are the second highest mountains in the world. And Andes Mountains have three ranges. Two of them are on the eastern side and are very high. They reach their highest point, underline the sentence, Mount Aconcagua. Mount Aconcagua in Argentina. Argentiniലുള്ള Mount Aconcagua ആണ് the highest mountain peak. This is also the highest peak in the southern hemisphere. This is also the highest peak in the southern hemisphere. Intermountain plateaux are found in these mountain range. And the Bolivian plateau and Intermountain plateau and Lake Titicaca. Underline Lake Titicaca are the largest lake in the South America located in these mountains. ഏറ്റവും ലാർജസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലേക്കും ഈ മൗണ്ടൻ റേഞ്ചിലാണ് ഉള്ളത്. There are many high peaks in the Andes. There are many high peaks in the Andes mountains such as Mount Chimborazo and Mount Cotopaxi. Underline the sentence. They are so high that in spite of being located near the equator, they are snow-covered almost throughout the year. Some of these peaks are of volcanic origin, thus earthquakes occur frequently on the western side of the mountains. Mount Cotopaxi in the equator is underline the sentence. Mount Cotopaxi in Ecuador is one of the highest active volcanoes in the world. Mount Cotopaxi, Ecuador, was one of the highest active volcanoes in the world. Many short and fast flowing streams originate from the western sides of the Andes Mountains. Numerous large rivers drain the eastern slopes of the Andes Mountains, and most of them join the Amazon River. Okay, these are western mountains. And then next, central lowlands. Central lowlands. The central lowlands are the vast stretches of plain land and central lowland. The central lowlands are vast stretches of plains which lie between the Andes Mountains and the eastern highland. They consist of Orinoco, Amazon, and La Plata river basins. In the north is the Orinoco River Basin. The North Orinoco River Basin. Underline. In the north is the Orinoco River Basin. It is covered with tropical grassland called llanos. A tropical grassland പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് llanos, which means plains. In the middle, the Amazon River Basin, it is covered with a tropical evergreen forest called selvasa. Tropical evergreen forest called selvasa, which means forest. In the south is the La Plata River Basin. It is fertile and sparsely populated plain called Gran Chaco. To the south of the Gran Chaco is the Pampas. It is one of the most productive agriculture region of the South America. To the south of the Gran Chaco is the Pampas. Pampas is one of the most productive agriculture region. South America to agriculture region. Underline. It is one of the most productive agriculture region in South America. Further southward lies the Patagonia Desert. Southward is Patagonia Desert. Look at the picture. Patagonia Desert. Patagonia Desert is the largest desert of South America. The major part of the desert lies in the Argentina. Patagonia Desert is Argentina. Patagonia Desert is the largest desert in the desert of South America. Pathram portions on the picture graph in Western mountains പറ്റി കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. സെൽവാസ നമ്മൾ സെൻട്രൽ ലോ ലാൻഡിനകത്ത് സെൽവാസയാണ് ഇവിടെയാണ് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് സെൽവാസ എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? കോൾ വിച്ച് മീൻസ് ഫോറസ്റ്റ്. കൂടുതൽ എന്താണ് ഇവിടെ? ഫോറസ്റ്റ്, സെൽവാസ. ഇതെല്ലാം ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇതൊന്ന് വായിച്ച് നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ചിൽഡ്രൻ.